Hey there, are you looking to grow your local pool cleaning business and get more customers? You're in the right place because today I'm going to be sharing some quick and simple tips to help you get more clients for your pool cleaning service. Let's jump in. Tip number one, get listed online. Most people search for pool cleaning services on platforms like Google, Yelp, or Facebook. Make sure your business has a complete profile with your contact info, hours, and great photos of your work. Tip two, go local. Hand out flyers or business cards at community pools, gyms, and neighborhood centers. You could even partner with local pool supply stores to leave your information where pool owners shop. Tip number three, use social media. Share helpful tips like how to maintain a sparkling pool or post before and after pictures of your cleaning jobs. This builds trust and makes your business stand out. At number four, we've got ask for referrals. Happy customers are your best marketing tool. Don't be shy, ask them to spread the word to their family and friends who might need pool cleaning services. At number five, we've got offer special promotions. Give discounts to first-time customers or seasonal packages for regular maintenance. Deals like these can encourage people to give your services a try. And there you have it, 5 easy ways to get more customers for your pool cleaning business. Start with 1 or 2 tips today and you'll see results in no time. And one last thing, if you need a website for your pool cleaning service, be sure to check out Mighty Sites by clicking on the link below. It's only $9 a month and there is a 7-day free trial to get you started. You don't even have to put your credit card details in, so be sure to click on the link below this video to get started. Your next customer could be just a click away. Thanks so much for watching and good luck growing your pool cleaning business.